just rose from a meeting and took the following decisions: that as a party, as a law-abiding party in the state, that we will not be part of the purported local government election that they have slated on the 5th of October. That was the resolution of the party. All the stakeholders, major stakeholders, we met, and we resolved that we will not be part of that election. Reasons being that a few months ago, there was a suit instituted by the APC. We were not part of that suit. But as a law-abiding party, we had the hint that an order was issued by the court restraining the parties that status quo remains the same, that RISEC should not go ahead with the election. As a party, we have met and we have agreed. What election are we going for? When voters' register is not being released to the RISEC, security agencies are not going to be part of the election. And based on that, the party said we are not going to be part of that purported election because we believe in rule of law. I didn't say that I will not as an individual. I say we resolved in that meeting, in the stakeholders meeting. In that resolution, the LGA party chairmen were part of the meeting. The LGA secretaries were part of the meeting. Women leaders were part of the meeting. The major stakeholders of our party in Rivers State were part of the meeting. National Assembly members were part of the meeting. House of Assembly were part of the meeting. So it was a collective decision that we agreed this morning that we are not going to be part of the election. Talking about what chairman, when their leaders are there, each ward in this state has a leader, and they were fully represented in the meeting.